We're here today to celebrate the launch of our partnership with BCIMO. NIS and ourselves are going to be doing training from this world-class facility for local people and for employers. As we know, the economic climate is such at the moment that we need to really support local people into jobs or into higher skilled jobs, and the rail sector is no different. They have challenges around skill levels, and working in partnership with NIS, we will be able to actually offer jobs for people who currently are unemployed, or if they are employed in the rail sector, to actually upskill them and allow them to be promoted.
So it's working closely together for training in the rail industry, using these world-class facilities that we have here at BCIMO and offering them to students in this industry and in this region. We've got a 2.2 kilometre rail test track that goes all the way through a tunnel under Dudley, which is nearly a kilometre long. We've got fantastic engineering hall, laboratory space and office spaces that we can offer to the college, but also for the students to participate in the training courses.
It really plays nicely and goes hand in hand. It's an extension of what we currently offer to students. We can bring the students from Wellington Road to experience a greater training area, to give a real eyes-on view of what industry looks like out on the ground.